In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a fixer-upper property on the MLS using Redfin. This process is not only efficient, but also user-friendly, making it an excellent tool for those of you looking to invest in some real estate that just needs a little TLC. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Redfin website. It's a fantastic platform for exploring real estate listings, offering a comprehensive map-based search interface that makes it easy to find properties in your desired location. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Buy. This option will open up various property categories for you to explore, setting the stage for your search. Next up, it's time to search for a location. You can enter any city, neighborhood, zip code, or even a street name into the search bar. This step helps you narrow down the area where you're interested in finding that perfect fixer-upper. After typing in your location, simply hit Search to pull up the listings. Now that you have a list of properties, you'll want to refine it to focus specifically on fixer-uppers. To do this, click on Filters, which is usually located towards the top of the listings page. Within the Filters menu, you should see various options that allow you to customize your search criteria, so keep an eye out for the Search Filters button and give it a click. One effective criterion to use is filtering for time on Redfin. This can help identify properties that have been on the market for longer periods, often indicating that they might be in need of some repairs or complete renovation. Once you've found time on Redfin, click on More than 90 days. Properties listed for this duration may offer more negotiation leverage or potential for value-adding improvements. Additionally, you can search for fixer-upper within the filters and make sure to check that option. It's a precise way to filter out the properties that require some level of renovation or repair. If you're interested in bank-owned or distressed properties, try typing in REO, which stands for Real Estate Owned Properties that have been repossessed by a lender. Alternatively, you could type in short sale to find properties being sold for less than the amount owed on their mortgage. Finally, with these filters set, click on See Homes. This will update your search results to display only those fixer-upper properties meeting your criteria. Now you're all set to dive into the listings and explore potential investment opportunities. Remember to take your time evaluating each property to determine which ones align best with your renovation skills and investment goals. Happy house hunting!